Okay. Di na to dugayon, Paul.
Yes.
Our next performer is a multi-platinum OPM hits, also known as the original queen of teleserye theme songs, and also a singer and songwriter, and of course, Apple.
Please welcome the crystal voice of Asia and Cebu's
Cebu's
pride,
pride, Sheryn
Regis! Mayong gabi, Cebu! Og ani-ana, para sa inyong tanan! Sing with me, okay? Let's do this! You believe that we find love together happily. After all the wrong I've done, you feel that I'm still the one to give your love and truth. So I'll bring it home to you. Everybody sing! You told me that you love me if I'd ever change. Welcome me into your arms again. Come on and out of the rain. Hey, hey, there's a place in the heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring. When you call my name, come on and out of the rain. And I love no one but you, but I stray. I know I made you blue. You spoke into my very soul. You warmed my heart that once was cold. Now I'm so glad to know. No, no, no. You told me that you love me if I'd ever change. Welcome me into your arms again. Come on and out of the rain. Let me hear you sing. There's a place in your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring when you call my name. Come on and out of the rain. Some people spend a lifetime looking for love, and I had love right here all the time. Why did I try to deny it? Deep inside, I just couldn't find it. You turned my life around. The love I lost is found, so let the rain come down. You told me that you love me if I'd ever change. Welcome me into your arms again. Come on and out of the rain. There's some place in your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring. Come on and out of the rain. Baby, come out of the rain. Baby, come out. Baby, come out. Cebu, come out of the rain. Ay, kamusta man mong tanan? Padungga ko sa inyong mga tingog. Kamusta mga namista, senyor? Kusge. atong storyahe. Asa may mga taga-salot, be? Asa mga taga-south? Taga-norte? Asang taga-city? Ay, nako. Anagid ba? I'm so proud na pure Cebuano ko, and I'm so glad nga I'm home. I'm performing for all of you. And of course, thank you so much, Bingo Plus, for having us here. And syempre, I'm proud to say, I'm from the land of Ampaw and Chicharon. Unsa man gyud na siya. Karkar City, Cebu! Asam taga Karkar be? Ang nang murag Chicharon. Asa mga taga Talisay? Ang nang murag lechon. Asa mga taga City? Mga taga Carbon. Thank you so much. And okay na, thank you na ka. Salamat kayo. Salamat kayo. I love you, Day. Gihigugma ko kamo mga fellow Cebuanos. Kulbaan ba ako ay? Kaya, makita ko mga Cebuano, kulbaan ko. Kulbaan ko dahil, bakit kanon ko. Kanon ko slitsyon. Okay. Okay pa, makanta pa ko. Kusgisod. Okay. Hanas kilid ha. Kaya ba madyo ko, kaya sa Cebu, sa kadaghalin nyo, nadyo ko'y parenti diri. May mga Regis. Basta mga taga Cebu na og chicharon, ako ng parente. Okay, but I'm here. Nandito din ang aking ate Chori Regis, ang akong cousin na adiri, ang akong Doc Chan, Doc Cheryl, and Anya Chan. Nandiri akong family. Hello, naskilid! Hello! May gabi diha, day. Alright. So, nasa kilid, hello. Can you see me there?